Today, we're diving into 7 packing cubes you should avoid, because cheap stitching and bad zippers can turn your organized suitcase into a disaster. First up, let's talk about Brand X budget cubes. These are the kind of packing cubes you'll spot in almost every discount store or online marketplace. They're everywhere, and it's easy to see why. They come in a rainbow of colors and the price tag is almost always tempting. You've seen these everywhere. Bright colors, bargain prices. They practically jump off the shelf with their cheerful look, and if you're on a budget, it's hard not to be drawn in. But the moment you pick one up, you'll notice the material feels incredibly thin and almost papery. It's so lightweight that you might even question if it can hold anything at all. Still, you might think, it'll do for the price, especially if you're only planning a short trip. The real issue, though, is the construction. The stitching is weak, and the zippers feel like they could break at any moment. It's the kind of quality that makes you nervous every time you zip or unzip. The stitches are far apart, single-threaded, and barely hold the fabric together. You can actually see the gaps if you look closely, and it doesn't inspire much confidence. After just a couple of uses, you'll hear threads popping as you zip. It's a little alarming, especially if you're packing anything with a bit of bulk. The fabric bunches up, causing the zipper to snag or misalign. Sometimes you have to wrestle with the zipper just to get it closed, which only puts more strain on the seams. I tested these by packing and unpacking 10 times. By the 5th, the seams strained. By the 8th, a hole appeared. It's frustrating to see something fall apart so quickly, especially when you're relying on it to keep your clothes organized. Zipper snags were constant, and the cube just couldn't handle repeated use. The zipper would get stuck, and sometimes it even separated from the fabric entirely. These cubes might survive one trip if you're gentle, but they're basically disposable. If you're a frequent traveler, you'll be replacing them constantly. For something meant to be reused, that's a deal breaker. You want your travel gear to last, not to fall apart after a couple of uses. If you want reliability, skip the Brand X cubes. There are much better options out there that won't let you down mid-trip. They're a classic case of, you get what you pay for. The low price is appealing, but the frustration and hassle just aren't worth it. Don't let a cheap cube ruin your trip. Imagine opening your suitcase to find your clothes spilling out because the cube couldn't hold up. There are better options out there. Cubes that are sturdy, reliable, and actually make packing easier instead of more stressful. Have you ever had a packing cube fail on you at the worst possible moment? Maybe right before a big meeting or when you're rushing to catch a flight? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your packing cube horror stories or any tips you have for finding better ones. Let's move on to the next one and see if it can do any better than Brand X. Don't waste your money on these. Hard pass from me. Next up, let's take a closer look at the TravelLite Value Set, another multi-pack that's easy to spot on store shelves thanks to its budget-friendly price tag and promises of convenience. At first glance, it seems like a great deal. You get several packing cubes for the price of one from a premium brand. But as soon as you open the package, the differences become obvious. The fabric is so thin, you can actually see your clothes right through it. While that might seem handy for quickly identifying what's inside, it's really a sign of how little structure and durability these cubes offer. As you try to pack, the cube just collapses in on itself, refusing to hold its shape. Instead of making packing easier, it turns the process into a balancing act with clothes spilling out and the cube folding over, but the real headache starts with the zipper. The teeth are made from a soft, flimsy plastic that doesn't line up properly, so the zipper jams almost every time you try to close it. Even if you're careful and don't overpack, the zipper can split open behind the slider, leaving your clothes exposed and the cube unusable. I tried packing just a few shirts and socks, nothing bulky or heavy, and the zipper still jammed and bent out of shape on the very first try. It's incredibly frustrating. The ultra-thin fabric offers no support at all, so the zipper track flexes and warps with the slightest pressure. This makes it almost impossible to zip up the cube smoothly. After just one jam, the zipper was completely ruined. No amount of fiddling could get it back on track, and the cube was basically useless. Instead of helping you stay organized, these cubes will have you spending more time fighting with zippers and fabric than actually packing your things. Now imagine dealing with this kind of hassle when you're in a rush at the airport, trying to get through security or make a tight connection. It's the last thing you need. The frustration and wasted time just aren't worth the few dollars you might save by choosing this set. In fact, these packing cubes are a recipe for travel stress, turning what should be a simple task into a source of anxiety and annoyance. Don't be fooled by the low price or flashy packaging. Sometimes you really do get what you pay for. Good organization should make travel easier, not harder. Investing in quality cubes means less stress and more time enjoying your trip. If you want peace of mind and a smoother travel experience, skip the TravelLite Value Set and look for something sturdier. There are much better options out there for just a little more money. Options that will last for years and actually help you stay organized. Have you tried the TravelLite Value Set or had a similar experience with budget packing cubes? Share your thoughts below. Let's keep going. This one's another hard pass. Number 3. PackPro Essentials. At first glance, these packing cubes look like a premium choice. The branding is sleek, the colors are modern, and the overall presentation really makes you think you're getting something special for your travels. But don't be fooled by the fancy exterior or the marketing hype. The fabric is definitely thicker than some budget options, and the mesh top is a nice touch for breathability and visibility. It feels like it should be durable, and the cube holds its shape well when empty. But the real test is how it performs when you actually use it. Take a closer look at the seams. They use a single-stitched overlock seam, which might look tidy, but it just can't handle much tension or weight. There's no reinforcement where it matters most. As soon as you pack it full, especially with bulkier clothes or if you're trying to maximize space, the stitches start to strain. You can actually see the thread stretching, and it's only a matter of time before they snap. After just a few uses, you'll notice small holes forming at the corners, right where the most stress happens. These weak points quickly turn into tears, making the cube almost useless for travel. The zipper pull looks sturdy at first, but it's attached with a thin metal loop that bends and pops off with very little force. It's a classic case of style over substance. Once the pull tab breaks, you're left pinching a tiny, slippery slider every time you want to open or close the cube. It's frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or your hands are tired from travel. I had this happen on my second use, right in the middle of a trip. It's not just annoying, it can actually slow you down and make packing or unpacking a hassle. The cube might look great sitting in your suitcase, but under real-world conditions it just doesn't hold up. The damage is obvious after only a few trips. Weak seams and a fragile zipper pull are a recipe for disappointment. You want your travel gear to last, not fall apart when you need it most. Don't be fooled by appearances or clever packaging. Always check the construction details before you buy. When it comes to packing cubes, you need strength, not just style. Look for double-stitched seams, reinforced corners, and solid zippers. If you want a cube that actually lasts through multiple trips, you'll want to look elsewhere. Don't waste your money on something that won't survive your first vacation. Have you ever had a zipper pull break on you mid-trip? It's one of those little things that can ruin your day. Share your packing cube horror stories in the comments. I'd love to hear what brands have let you down. PackPro Essentials, definitely one to avoid if you care about durability. Let's move on to the next contender. Number 4. JetSet Go Cubes. Marketed as rugged, but the reality is messy. The ripstop fabric frays badly because the edges aren't finished. Loose threads get caught in the zipper, causing constant snags. Over time, the zipper track detaches from the frayed fabric. I saw this after a dozen uses. A 2-inch section of zipper tape just peeled away. The cube becomes useless with a permanent opening. Ripstop means nothing if the construction is poor. A simple binding tape could have prevented this, but they skipped it. These cubes self-destruct with normal use. For something meant to make travel easier, they just add problems. Don't trust the branding. Look at the build. JetSet Go Cubes are a definite skip. Have you had a cube fall apart like this? Share your story below. Number 5. WanderMore Basics. The definition of generic. The polyester is thin, and loose threads are everywhere. These aren't just clippings, they're actual stitching left unfinished. Pull one, and you can unravel an inch of seam instantly. Even gentle use leads to seams coming apart. The zipper slider jams randomly, not from snags, but from poorly molded teeth. Sometimes it just stops halfway with no visible reason. This is a basic quality control failure. The cube falls apart at the seams, and the zipper can stop working at any time. You can't trust it to hold or close. It feels like it was made to fail. Don't settle for the cheapest option. WanderMore Basics are a no-go. Have you had a zipper jam for no reason? Drop your story in the comments. Let's keep going. Number 6. The Nomad Cheapies. Those ultra-low-cost cubes from discount sites. The fabric is stiff and crinkly, the stitching is uneven, and everything feels brittle. The main failure? The zipper splits open in the middle when packed full. I packed a few sweaters and shirts, zipped it up, and the teeth popped open with barely any pressure. The zipper teeth are soft, low-grade plastic that can't handle tension. I repeated this 3 times. Every cube failed the same way. The zipper tape is barely attached, and the seams look ready to pop even when empty. These cubes are disposable, not durable. You save a few dollars, but you'll need to replace them immediately. It's a false economy. Don't risk your trip on these. Nomad Cheapies are a hard avoid. Have you tried these discount cubes? Let me know how they held up. There are better options for just a bit more. Let's wrap up. Finally, number 7. BudgetFlyer Organizers. They look premium, with nice fabric and logos, but the details are lacking. The stitching is inconsistent, straight on one side, wavy and weak on the other. This creates weak points that tear under stress. The zipper handle looks sturdy, but is made from cheap, soft metal. I bent it just zipping up a half-full cube. Once bent, it's awkward to use, and if you try to fix it, it snaps off. The fabric is decent, but the assembly and zipper handle ruin it. It's a product that almost gets it right, but the shortcuts make it fail. Don't be fooled by appearances, check the details. BudgetFlyer Organizers are a skip. Have you had a cube that looked good but failed fast? Share your experience below. Always check the small details before you buy. Let's finish up. That's 7 packing cubes to avoid. Bad stitching, weak zippers, and poor construction will only add stress to your travels. Invest a little more in quality cubes with strong materials and reliable zippers. Look for double-stitching YKK zippers and brands with good reputations. It's worth it for peace of mind on the road. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more gear reviews. What's your worst packing cube fail? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.